Hi, my name is Mujabeng Senekal Ndebele, and I'm the face and ambassador of Eternity Sanitary Pads. On August 25th this year, on my birthday, a group of South African thespians and I, representing Eternity, took part in the 7th MEG Sanitary Towel Project, an annual event that strives to keep a girl child in school through the provision of sanitary towels. We distributed 15,000 packs of Eternity sanitary pads amongst 3 schools in Wolmaranstad in the Northwest Province, while leaving motivation, inspiration, and love with every life encountered. In the past year, Eternity has donated 100,000 sanitary pads all over South Africa towards their mission to facilitate and promote a happy and beautiful period for all women. So, this is how this day turned out.
Here's an interesting fact about Eternity Sanitary Pads. It is owned by a 12-year-old girl.
Yeah,
Who's as passionate as I am about empowering women. So with this brand, the idea is to promote a culture where it's safe. I hope you enjoy the brand like I do. I don't just talk about it because I'm an ambassador. I talk about it because I actually do enjoy using these pads, and they're very comfortable and very short. Something that we all like, because we don't want a pad. Yes. On behalf of Eternity Sanitary Pads, thank you. Very nice meeting you. Very lovely being here with you. Stand here and take a picture. Pretty lady.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Empress. Happy birthday to you.
Apart from all the great work and being a part of such a life-impacting initiative, we had a lot of fun. And I thoroughly enjoyed my birthday doing something that I'm absolutely passionate about.
Thank you.